Hello, welcome. I am going to do a moisturizer this time, and this is my moisturizer, which is the Skin Hydrate from Nutrition, and it's artistry again. I hope you can see that. So you use a scoop to take your creams from your bottles of skincare creams, because if you put your fingers in, you're putting dirt into it. So I've taken a bit here, and I'm going just to smear it onto my face and leave it there so that my machine can actually slide in there.
Hydrate.
And then I'm going hydrate this time. And so as I said before, you don't have to push it or push it very hard. You are just sealing your creams in there so that they sink into your skin, into the deeper layer of your skin, so that it's not lying out there bare and then it just disappears into thin air, because you need it into your skin right inside so that you see the results, guys. So this is the Dermasonic, and this is how you use it. Remember, the neck also gives you away so much, because when you grow old, your neck also gives in its age. It's a blessing, because some of our friends are not here anymore, so it is okay. So this is hydrate. And what is the next? Let's go to the next one. Now I'm going to do the eyes. There are three things that women, we don't notice, that actually gives our age away. One is our eyes, they fall in. Two is our hands. They also grow old, and you've got all the wrinkles in the hands. It actually gives your age away, and also your neck. So those are three places that we really need to take care of. And I'll go through those ones as we go through this tutorial as well. And now I'm going to attach, I've taken off the other head. I'm going to attach this one, which is for the eyes. And for me to use this one, I need to switch it on. There we go. And then it starts rumbling. And here's the cream for the eyes. Many times when I teach about skincare, I talk of using your last finger or your ring finger. But well, today we are not using that because we've got the machine to use. And then you put it on there, onto where you worry a lot about the eyes. And this attachment, as you can hear it, it's actually rumbling to go. So it goes here. You just touch your eyes. There we go. There we go. And then we go to the other eye as well. We put the cream. Here we are trying to get the cream in to the skin. And with the eye attachment, it helps us do that. There we go. So the creams have been logged in now, and then we switch off our, it actually switches off on its own when it has finished doing the work. As I said, the Dermasonic is not a machine that you've got to push and pull and do all the things. The Dermasonic, it just touches your skin. And as you can see, here I am with all the creams put on and everything done. this is me now with skincare. I love taking care of my skin, and I hope you guys enjoy my video and follow me as I go through a lot of them, because this is just the beginning of my tutorials where I'm going to coach you through the skincare successes and what you can do to look good as well, even at any age. It doesn't matter. I know women, we have got issues, and boys as well, they've got a lot of acne when they are still growing up. And I'll touch on those ones as well, so that we don't leave our children behind. They are also struggling with skin. So every person has got their own issues. So with me, I was blessed. I'm not having a lot of issues with my skin, but I just take care of it so that it keeps looking good. I just want to get where I will be saying, oh, I'm 90, but it's still looking good. I've seen some women looking like good at that age. So I hope I'll be there. And so for today, I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the good blessings during Christmas time. And it's time for you to look after your skin and take care of yourself. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel, Skincare Success by Kate on Dare to Live. That's my YouTube channel.